Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you where is the fuse box in engine compartment. To find engine compartment fuse box, take a look at the right side of the engine compartment. The fuse box is located right here. In order to access it, we have to push this red locks up and we can lift it up. Unfortunately, there is no diagram on the bottom of the fuse box cover. To lock it, simply push the lock left. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.